Hello class, welcome to your point of view module. In this module you'll learn how to define point of view, identify the different kinds of point of view, and explain why point of view is important. Before class, we would like you to work through this slideshow. So go ahead and scroll through the different slides. For the first two, what do you see? And what do you see? And keep going through and it'll explain the different points of view. So you can move through that at your own pace. After that, we have two videos for you to make sure that you really get some good examples of point of view. After that, we would like you to take notes in your interactive notebook. So watch the video to take notes in your interactive notebook to remember the different points of view. You can print this file to follow along. So if you want to have a paper that looks like my paper, you can download this and print it for your notes. Otherwise, you can just make the block letters in your notebook. And finally, you can play point of view pilot. Those are the items that you will do before class. After that, we'll see you in Zoom. All right, thank you.